Introducing the Rolls-Royce Spectre, the world's first ultra-luxury electric super coupe. 23-inch alloy wheels are the biggest we've seen on a Rolls-Royce. Now, the Spirit of Ecstasy has had a complete redesign, coming closer to the most aerodynamic we've seen. If you're wondering what colour this is monotone midnight sapphire, and it looks great. Now, if you look at the rear brake lights, they're going to go off very shortly, and we'll see that they're completely colourless by the time they're off. Now, these are the largest doors we've seen on a Rolls-Royce. Let's have a look inside. Completely redesigned chairs, beautiful lapel feature, shooting star headliner. I've counted them myself, we're looking at 1,344. I'm about to jump out my body, I'm ready to leap. I'm about to nut on her body and tell her to leap. 50 mil stuff in the bed, tell her whole gang.
It takes some finesse. I've seen you